All right, in this explainer, we're mapping out a career path that's, well, it's hands-on, it's totally in demand, and it's absolutely essential. We're talking about building the actual physical superhighways of the internet. Okay, so let's just kick things off with the big question right here. I mean, this isn't just about finding a job, right? It's about becoming a craftsman, someone who builds the literal backbone of our digital world. Now, to really get why this is such a massive opportunity, you got to understand the huge leap in technology we've made. For decades, we sent data through these old copper wires. Just picture trying to force information through tiny, rusty water pipes. I mean, it was slow, it got all sorts of interference. But today, it's all about sending data as pulses of light down a perfectly mirrored tunnel. It is, and I'm not exaggerating, millions of times faster and clearer. All right, so to really wrap our heads around this career, let's start at the very beginning. What is this technology exactly? How does it actually work? You know, it's almost hard to believe when you first see it. At the very heart of these super tough-looking cables is a strand of ultra-pure glass that's no thicker than a single human hair. So instead of pushing slow electrons through metal, we're literally shooting data at the speed of light. It's incredible. And this is the magic that makes it all happen. It's a physics principle called total internal reflection. And what it does is it basically traps the light inside the glass. The light just bounces perfectly off the inner walls, ricocheting down the fiber for miles and miles, and it does it without escaping or losing power. It's a perfect delivery system. Okay, so we've got this incredible technology. Awesome. But how do you prove to an employer that you're the pro who actually knows how to handle it? Well, you need a guild. A trusted organization that sets the standards and basically writes the rule book for the whole industry. And that is the FOA, the Fiber Optic Association. Think of them as the global, nonprofit authority on how this work gets done right and how it gets done safely. And the CFOT, that stands for Certified Fiber Optic Technician, that's your official license from that guild. It is the most recognized certification in the industry, period. It's the credential that tells every single employer, hey, this person has been properly trained and tested. This is what gets your foot in the door. Okay, so what skills are you actually going to need to master to earn that license? Like, what does a technician really do day in and day out? Your training is really perfectly balanced. 50% of it is classroom theory, understanding the book smarts of how light works and all that. But the other 50%, that's pure hands-on lab work. You're mastering the street smarts of the trade by working with real cables, real tools. So you'll learn that there are two main kinds of fiber pipes. First, you've got multimode fiber. Think of that like a big fire hose. It's great for moving a ton of data over short distances, like inside a data center. Then you have single-mode fiber. That's more like a high-pressure water jet, and it's capable of shooting a single, super precise beam of light for dozens of miles to connect whole cities. Now, these next two skills, they are the absolute heart of the job. First is termination. That's where you carefully put a connector on the end of a fiber so you can actually plug it in. And second is splicing. This is where you use a really high-tech machine to perfectly fuse two strands of glass together just seamlessly, so the light passes right through without even a hiccup. So how do you check your work? I mean, you can't just look at it, right? You use these specialized tools. A power meter is kind of like a flashlight, and a brightness meter, it tells you how much light is making it from one end to the other. But then you have the OTDR, and this thing is like a superpower. It's a tool that sends a pulse of light down the fiber, and it can literally tell you, hey, there's a bad splice exactly 1.75 miles down this road. How cool is that? Okay, so what's the actual step-by-step map to get you from where you are right now to being a certified working technician? Let's lay it out. The path forward is actually incredibly straightforward. It really breaks down into 4 key stages. First, you get trained. Then, you get certified. Then, you get a job. And finally, you get experience. It's just a really clear progression from the classroom right into a career. So, with that brand new CFOT certificate in your hand, these are the exact job titles you should be searching for. And what's cool is that this one credential makes you a qualified candidate for all sorts of environments, from being out in the field for an internet provider to managing the network inside one of those massive data centers. But look, earning your CFOT, that's just the first step. This is a career with a real path for growth, for specialization, and for mastery. This is just the beginning.
Once you've got some real-world experience under your belt, you can start to level up with advanced certifications from the FOA. You can become the master surgeon of splicing, or the master detective of testing, or maybe even the master architect of network design. You get to choose your specialty.
And this quote, this really captures the long-term potential perfectly. You start with the hands-on work, right? You're like a master plumber, laying the pipes perfectly. But with experience and that advanced training, you can become the architect who designs the entire system from the ground up. So let's be super clear about the most crucial point here. Your whole journey starts with hands-on training. This is not a skill you can just master online. The single best investment you can possibly make is finding an FOA-approved school for a dedicated hands-on bootcamp course. That's the ticket.
Look, this is a real, tangible skill that powers our intangible world, and the demand for it is only going up. So the question is, are you ready to build a future? Because your quest starts right now.